What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today I'm going to show you guys some of the products I've been sent here lately that I think are really cool and that I'm going to be using on the channel moving forward. So first up, I recently got up with this company called Hykoont. You probably remember them from those lights I got up there. They sent out this cool wall mount LED light, and I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to kind of show you guys what all is included in the kit, and yeah, we're going to wire it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it comes in this box. There you see it right there, LED wall pack with all the voltage information. This is the light itself. This is the little kit. It comes with a back mount and all the wire nuts you need to secure it, as well as some very detailed install instructions. As far as the light itself goes, it's pretty cool. It actually opens up so it's serviceable and it's waterproof, and it even tells you inside where to drill to mount it. It's got multiple little plug areas, including one in the back where you can actually fish the wires through depending on how you want to mount it. And yeah, let's get this thing mounted up and let's try it out. Alright guys, so there's many ways you can do this light. Like I said, you can have the wires come out the side, the front, the top, the back, however you want to do it. Obviously, exercise caution whenever dealing with electrical. If you do this on a live service, make sure the power is off. It's just 3 wires. It's a power, a ground, and a neutral earth. And I've chosen to wire it to this 3-prong cable. That way I can move it around, because I'm using this as a light to pretty much showcase my spray out. So anyways, let me stand back and plug it up for you guys so you can see how bright it is. So there you have it, guys. I got a new paint light. This is going to work out great for the channel. As you've seen me previously, I've used another spotlight that I had in the back. And this is going to make it where I can kind of move it around more. And if I want to just shine it on the fender right here or take it out anywhere, and on days like today where it's a little dreary out, I can have a good paint light and showcase the spray outs for you guys. So a big thanks to Hykoont for sending it out. It's a great light and it's going to make an awesome addition to the channel. Alright guys, so I'm back at the house now, and I got some videos I'm editing up for you guys now, but I have one more product that I wanted to show you guys today on my little Amazon finds episode or whatever. It was a product I was sent out by a company called Gooloo, and these are products, guys, that I actually believe in. Obviously, I do a bunch of reviews on Amazon if you didn't know that already, but this is something I was sent out and I was just like, you know what, my subscribers actually might like this. I would buy this if it hadn't been sent out to me. And yeah, let me kind of show it to you real quick. This is Gooloo brand 3000 amp jump starter and 150 psi tire inflator. So basically it comes with the attachments so that if you need to jump start your car, it has the attachments that kind of go in the top. And you even have a boost feature where basically it takes all the power this thing has and tries to crank your car if it's not, you know, doing enough on normal. And then you also got the hose attachments for inflating your tire if you got a leaky tire and or if you get stranded and you change your spare tire and you need to put, you know, some air in the other tire because it just leaked down and you just didn't maintain it over time or whatever. This thing is pretty cool. You just hold down the middle button, it turns it on. It's got the battery sensor. It's got PSI right here for the tire. It'll actually show you and indicate it when you actually got it plugged into the tire. It's even got a little flashlight on top right here, and it's pretty cool. It charges with a C charger right here through this feature, and then also you got an in and output, so basically you can charge your phone or whatever else you need. So it's a great item to have, you know, if you're out and about and you're worried about anybody getting stranded. I keep this in my wife's CRV, you know, just for peace of mind, and it's a great product overall. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys that real quick. You know, these are things that I actually use and I actually believe in. If I didn't, I would not be showing you guys. You know, I would not want to waste your time. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. Like I said, the Gooloo Jump Starter and the Hykoont Shop Light will be in the description. If you guys want to support the channel and pick one up, I would really appreciate it. If not, that's cool too. But regardless, guys, these are just 2 cool Amazon finds today, and I'm going to kind of do these episodes on the regular, just whenever I actually find something that's actually worth doing episodes on. But I appreciate you guys for watching this today. I hope you like, share, and comment, subscribe if you like what I'm doing on the channel, just regardless. And yeah, I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I appreciate your time. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and see you guys on the next paint episode.